How to add event list section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, this is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click on section to page option here. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is scroll down like this until you find event list option and click on it. Now as you can see, choose a template from here. You have many templates. Choose the one that you want and click on it until it takes you to this page. Now as you can see, just wait a few seconds and it's ready. As you can see, click manage so you can manage your upcoming events or your events from here. You have also many options here to edit. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.